Welcome. Today we'll guide you through the process of disabling the YouTube voice assistant on your TV. To start, locate the settings menu on your TV interface. This can typically be found by pressing the menu button on your remote control or accessing the settings directly from the home screen. Once you're in the settings, navigate to device preferences or a similar option depending on your TV's brand and model. This section usually houses settings related to device functionality and preferences. Within the Device Preferences menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Google Assistant or Assistant Settings. This is where you can manage the settings related to Google's voice assistant, which is often integrated into smart TVs. Selecting this option will take you to a submenu where you can customize various assistant settings. In this submenu, look for the option to disable the voice assistant feature. Depending on your TV's interface, this may be represented as a toggle switch or a checkbox. Once you've located the option to disable the voice assistant, proceed to turn it off. It's important to note that disabling the voice assistant on your TV will also deactivate it for YouTube, as YouTube typically utilizes the same voice assistant functionalities. This means that any voice commands or interactions with YouTube will no longer be processed through the voice assistant. After disabling the voice assistant, you can exit the settings menu and return to using your TV as usual. You may need to confirm or save your changes before exiting, depending on your TV's interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off the YouTube voice assistant on your TV. If you found this guide helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.